Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and April 26th. We got a few items on the docket today, so we'll start off with the durable goods orders. So, as you can see, we had in February a negative, so contracted durable goods orders in the month of February. So, forecast is supposed to be a bit higher at 2%, and it only came up to 0.8%. So, a little disappointing, positive territory, but still disappointing to come into the expectations. Case-Shiller home prices looks like it's going down. So these are the index is kind of gauging the 20 largest markets in the U.S. And back in January, they showed a 5.7% year-over-year increase, whereas February shows a 5.4% year-over-year increase. So as we're kind of seeing in the market that things are slowing down a little bit, it's not going up as rapidly as it was. Home prices are still going up, but just not as big of a jump as we were seeing last couple of years. Consumer confidence, April. So back in March, we had a 96.1, which is good numbers. It was supposed to dip a little bit down to 95.8, so pretty close to where we were at. And it dipped much further to 94.2, so people aren't feeling as confident as they were last month. Stock market's a little mixed today. We have S&P's been up most this morning. Dow's been back and forth in positive negative territory, and Nasdaq's been negative the whole time. So I've looked at this. Oil did come up a little bit. You're still in the $43 range, but you're talking a few cents, but basically from where we were yesterday. And today is also the first day for the FOMC beginning their meeting. So they'll have it today, and then tomorrow, usually right around 11:15 Pacific Standard Time, you'll see their announcement, and then she'll give her press conference right around 11:30. Janet Yellen will give her press conference. So be prepared for a lot of volatility. Today will probably be a little bit more conservative moves in anticipation for the Fed. They are not anticipating any rate hikes at this point. Rate hikes for June are about around 20%, so not very high. The biggest one will be right around September. But the main thing they're going to be looking for the FOMC tomorrow is if they change the tone of their meeting, where the last meeting came in a little dovish, they felt, and they want to see if it changes to a more hawkish tone or not. So be prepared for that volatility tomorrow. So far this morning, we're down about 9 basis points. So pricing, again, kind of getting worse. We could potentially drop. We're at the 101.88 level right now, and we could be easily drop down to the 101.60ish level. So that's about a quarter point drop, so 25 basis points. So this could we could see this drop a little bit further before we get better. So just be a little cautious before we get. I do think we'll jump up a little bit more, but how much more we're not sure, because as you can see, we are getting a little bit further away from the 25 and 10-day moving average. Usually, when we get too far away, we have kind of whips out and it comes back up. But again, we do have a little room to go here before we can see that happen. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.